Hello.
Hi. Hello.
So we're here in Phillip Island.
Yep, chocolate.
So chocolate factory. Happy birthday, Prince. Come here. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay.
Our own chocolate.
Okay, see you later inside. Hi, ate.
Happy birthday, PJ.
Hi guys, so kita ninyo, dito meron ditong puno ng kakao. So ito, fresh to, kaya hindi pwedeng hawakan. Okay? So, yan. Video mo. Dito tayo sa loob. Dito tayo sa loob, nandito yung pinakagawa ng mga chocolates. Process ng chocolate.
So this is the process of it. Roasting. And once it's roasted, we're gonna crush the chocolate.
Biggest block of chocolate in there too. How much sugar?
Once it's crushed,
In the other room.
you have to put it here for winning.
One time.
Press
It's
the
like,
button.
you can see, it's amazing. White
Now
chocolate.
working.
100% chocolate.
You have to press more. Then it's gonna be grinded. Then it comes like this. Oh, chocolate's gonna come back. And then it'll be melted. We're mixing. And it's the thing. Oh, big
The statue is made of chocolate. You see?
chocolate.
Hey, that's a
Pure chocolate.
that's a Babuito.
Yeah, but
Look at that.
That's Aiden.
Max, bring the camera and turn to the side. Get in on that Kardashian action.
Oh no.
Oh my god, look at this. This is all chocolates.
Ah, yes, look.
Those are chocolate. Different kinds of chocolate.
Yeah,
It's making
interesting.
it twice. Get another one. Get one more. One more.
Finish?
That's my ticket, Emma.
Ah, okay.
That's one.
Two credits.
left.
That's so much fun!
PJ. Here, they go.
No.
That's it. It's only that much.
I made a love heart. See? That one.
That's cool. So yun, magsawa tayo sa tsokolate. Kanina pa tayo kain ng kain. Yan, you know, see? Right, we have lots of chocolates.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Good. Pure chocolate. Alright.
you. I know you want this.
What's that? What's that?
Chocolate.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for coming. See you again next time.